In this video, I want to test 3 different strategies that use the previous day high and low price. 1. Open a buy or sell as soon as high and low of the previous day is break. 2. Open a buy or sell position once a candle goes above or below previous day high and low and closes there. After it closed, we put a position. 3. If the price goes above or below certain points of the previous day high and low, we open position. Hey everyone, I'm Sepide. I'm a programmer with a passion for trading. I'm here to test different strategies for Forex, crypto, and the stock market. Together, we'll figure out what works, what doesn't, and hopefully discover a reliable strategy for our trading. In each video, I'll create an expert advisor for a strategy and test it using data from the past years. If you find these videos helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. So I will test the first strategy. Once the price goes above the highest price of the yesterday, we open a buy position, and as soon as the price goes below the lowest price of the yesterday, we open a sell position. And we have 300 points stop loss and take profit. I will test it for Europe 2023. So we can see here it draws 2 lines for lowest and highest price of the yesterday. And here price goes below the lowest price of the yesterday, and it opened a sell position, and we had a take profit here. And the same way for every day, it will do the same and draws 2 lines above and below and open positions. Here we had the sell position. Here we had a TP, and here our stop loss. I put my stop loss bigger because I have tested the different stop loss and take profits, and the best result I could get is it was the less pips for take profit and more for stop loss. So because sometimes the price goes above, but it returns back. So here we had the take profit too. So you can know how this strategy works. Now I will speed up the test so we can see the results. So we had 22% loss here. Wanna check the positions. We had so many positions with take profit, but like here, it was above the previous highest, and the price goes back to the yesterday prices. So we had loss here. Here again, below the previous day's lowest, it opened a sell position and price goes back. So the next thing I want to try is I will change the code, and we will open positions once the candle closed below or above the price. Like here we can see the price goes down, but candle closed here my lowest price, candle goes below it, but it went back and closed above that. So I will change the code, so once the a candle goes down and closed below the lowest price or above the highest price, we will open positions. So now I will test the other strategy, that is once the price goes above or below the highest and lowest price of the yesterday and candle is closed above or below, then we open a position. So we had 72% loss. Now we will test it for bigger time frames like M30. So we had minus 49% loss. I will test it for 1 hour. So it will open a position if 1 hour candle closed above or below. So we had 68% loss. So it doesn't work for bigger time frames too. I will test it for 5 minutes. Here's the last. I will test. Here we had minus 76% loss. So this strategy didn't work. The next strategy I want to test is that if price goes above or below certain pips of highest and lowest price of the yesterday, we open a position. I will test different number of pips so we can see if it will work. So we can see it draws two lines for for highest and lowest price of the yesterday, and the yellow one is lowest price minus 100 points. So it will open position once the price triggered here. So I tested different settings for this strategy, different points for opening positions from 100 to 1000 points above or below highest and lowest price. I tested all and for all years and different time frames and different stop loss and take profits. And I will show you some of the best results, some of the best settings that I have got. One of these settings was 400 pips for above or below highest and lowest, and stop loss and take profit was 500 pips, and it had 230% profit from 2022, and from 2021 it had 124% profit, and from 2020 to 2023 it had minus 17 loss. So it didn't work for 2020, but from 2021 it had a good performance. So for recent years it had good results, and maybe for next years you can use this strategy, but it's not for sure. Another one was 400 pips above or below, but our stop loss was 1,500 pips and take profit 1,000 pips. And for 2023 it had 160% profit, but for 2021 to 2023 it didn't work. And the best setting I've got for this strategy, it was when I put 60 pips for above or below highest and lowest price, and 500 pips for stop loss and take profit. Also I tested this strategy with all settings for gold and pound, but it didn't work for them. So it's just working for euro. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. In the next videos I will test the other trading strategies. If you've got any strategies that you'd like to see in action, just drop a comment below. I'll definitely put them into action and share the results with you all.